And we are live, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to another edition of Odd Math with Mr. C. So for this video, it's going to be another video on algebraic equations. My last video on this topic, I think, was a little bit all over the place. I'm going to keep it 100. You know, I really pride myself on having tools and strategies for all learners. And I think adding in the strategy for how to solve algebraic equations when you can't do it in your head, I think that made it a little more confusing. So I'm going to keep this to the algebra. You know, I'm going to keep the focus here strictly with the algebra. I will do another video that focuses on solving addition and subtraction problems. I will do another video that focuses on strategies for solving addition and subtraction. When you can't do it in your head. But for this, I'm just going to make this video solely on the algebra and with the assumption that y'all already know how to add and subtract in your head. All right. So x plus 1 equals 2. So to find x, you got to get the plus 1 on the other side of the equal sign. And you do that by doing the opposite of whatever the operation is. So in this number sentence, the operation is addition. X plus 1 equals 2. So to get this 1 to the other side of the equal sign, I have to subtract it. So minus 1, minus 1. These two numbers cancel out. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And x equals 1. All right, now I'm going to do another one. All right, x plus 5 equals 16. So again, to find the value of x, we have to get this 5 on the other side of the equal sign, and we do that by doing the opposite of what the operation is. Since the operation for this problem is addition, we're doing x plus 5. We have to subtract 5 to get the 5 on the other side of the equal sign. So we cross cancel. 16 minus 5 equals 11. X equals 11. And that is our answer. Okay, x plus 8 equals 18. So you saw me do a couple problems. So if you want to try this problem on your own, feel free to pause the video and give this a shot all by yourself. If you don't feel ready to do it on your own, then just continue watching. But if you're prepared to do this on your own, pause the video and then unpause it to see how you did, because I am going to go over the steps right now. All right, x plus 8 equals 18. So again, find the value of x. We got to get this 8 on the other side of the equal sign, and we do that by doing the opposite of whatever the operation is. So the operation, again, is addition, so we got to subtract. Minus 8, minus 8. So 18 minus 8 equals 10. So x equals 10. I'm going to do one more problem that's like this, and then I'm going to show you what to do when it's x minus a number. X plus 7 equals 12. Again, if you feel confident to try this problem on your own, pause the video, give this problem a shot on your own, and then unpause the video to see if you did it correctly. All right. x plus 7 equals 12. So again, we got to get the 7 to the other side of the equal sign. Since it's x plus 7, since the operation is addition, and gets the 7 to the other side, we have to subtract it. Minus 7 minus 7. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. And x equals 5. All right, there we go. So now this is a subtraction problem. X minus 5 equals 15. So to find the value of x, we have to get the 5 on the other side of the equal sign. And since x is being subtracted in this problem, that means that we have to add 5. So to get the 5 on the other side of the equal sign, we have to add it. So we're going to go plus 5, plus 5. We always do the opposite of whatever the operation is. So if they're subtracting from x, if they're doing x minus 5, we have to add. If they're doing x plus a certain number, then we would have to subtract. It's always the opposite of whatever the operation is. But here it's subtraction, so we need to add. So x minus 5 equals 15, so we're going to add 5. 15 plus 5 equals 20. So x equals 20. All right, now I'm going to do another one. You know what? Let me keep it basic. So x minus 2 equals 2. So again, to solve, we got to get this 2 on the other side of the equal sign, and we're going to do that by adding. Since the operation is subtraction for this problem, we always do the opposite of whatever the operation is. So plus 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So x equals 4. All right, x minus 5 equals 10. So since the operation is subtraction, we got to do the opposite of what the operation is to get the 5 on the other side of the equal sign. So we have to add 5. Plus 5 plus 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So x equals 15. All right, now I'm going to do another one. X plus 2 equals 12. So again, since the 2 since we're adding the 2, since the operation's addition, we have to, I'm doing subtract, scratch that. X minus 2 equals 12. Let's make that'll be the example problem. I'm doing subtraction examples right now. X minus 2 equals 12. So since the operation is subtraction, we have to add to get it on the other side. So plus 2, plus 2. 12 plus 2 equals 14. So x equals 14. So I'm going to do 2 more problems. For these next 2 problems, if you feel confident to try the problem on your own, feel free to pause the video and then unpause it to see if you did it correctly. X minus 3 equals 7. So again, to get this on the other side of the equal sign, we have to add x here. So plus 3, plus 3, 7 plus 3 equals 10. X equals 10. All right, last problem, x minus 5 equals 25. Again, if you feel confident that you can solve this problem on your own, feel free to try it, pause the video, and then unpause the video and see if you did it correctly. So we got to get the 5 on the other side of the equal sign. It's a subtraction problem, so in order to get the 5 on the other side, we have to add. These two numbers cancel out. 25 plus 5. So 25 plus 5 equals 30. So x equals 30. All right, I hope you all enjoyed that video. I hope it was clear, succinct, and I hope it helps you get better at solving algebraic equations. Thank you to everybody that tuned in. Please feel free to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. That's my video for today.